charcoal in that drawing I will be using for some details or for background I will be using Apsara charcoal also guys, and I will be using Camlin charcoal guys, and for blending I will be using brushes. And thank you so much that you have given that much views and likes to my previous video, and thanks for the comments that you have given in my latest video guys. And first I will be starting with outline, and I will be doing outline with mechanical pencil, and I will be using ivory sheet only to make the drawing. So without wasting time, let's start. My Godzilla vs Kong outline is complete guys. So now let's start sketching, and I will be doing sketching, not coloring. I will be doing sketching with these charcoal pencils. You can see on the screen Camlin charcoal pencils. And wait a minute. And blending with these brushes. Wait. And from these charcoals also I will be making this drawing guys. You can see on the screen Apsara pencils. So let's start without wasting time. So here are charcoal pencil, brush for blending. Let me take out my new brush. Wait. Here is the brush. So let's start guys without wasting time. Let's start. completed of Godzilla and King Kong. This is my final work, and here I have made some helicopter and here Thunder Shock. And guys, I made these with only Camlin pencils and Apsara pencils, guys, as you can see. And the Camlin pencils, guys, are really very soft, and this soft charcoal pencil of Camlin is very good and medium also. Hard is not that much easy to rough on the paper. And guys, Apsara charcoals are very hard to write or to shade on a paper, guys. I'm not insulting Apsara. Apsara is also very good quality. If you can also buy this Apsara pencils also. But guys, I like the most these Camlin charcoal pencils. So that is your choice. You buy this or this. And guys, this pack come of 50 rupees, and these I have bought 2 only. These are my very old charcoal pencils of Apsara. I have not used that much. Hard I have not used even a small lead. So, and shading I have used this brushes, and this eraser I have used for detailing, and tissue paper for the background, and mechanical pencil for the outline, guys. So, and guys, my file was finished in which I can keep my sketches. It is fully finished, so I have bought new file. And now I have bought 20 pocket file, guys, because 10 pocket files got finished very fast, so I have bought 20 pockets only. I have not opened it yet, guys. So here is our file, and it came off 35 rupees, 20 pockets, as you can see above. I have not opened it yet, so let's open it. Let's first clear the table. So let's clear. So table is fully cleared. So here's the file. Let's open it. So from here it got open. I'm opening, guys, you can see. So here's the file, and this file is having 20 pockets. I'm not counted yet. Let's count one time from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, half I have counted. They are fully 10. So now count. Let's start counting next half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 10. So it is checked, guys, and in this file there are total 20 pockets I have checked. So now I will be putting this drawing in my file. Before it, let's do fixative spray on this. And guys, I have not bought any fixative spray. I will be making at home, guys. So first let's start to make fixative spray. And guys, I will be making another video for that, how to make fixative spray for the drawings, guys. So let's make fixative. So guys, now I've came outside on the roof of my house. So guys, here's I made fixative spray. So now let's do this fixative on this drawing, guys. So we have to put, guys, very small from a brush, just like you can see. Guys, as you can see on the screen, very small you have to put, guys. If you will put suddenly very fast, so your drawing will be teared, or charcoal can spread, guys. So very little you have to put, slowly. As you can see, I am putting. Guys, the paper got stuffed. You can see it is coming out paper. For some time it get, guys. After some time it become like early only. So guys, slowly we have to do. like this. Slowly, slowly, and little only. Just like you can see I am doing. My Godzilla is finished. Now I will be doing with my King Kong. Let's do. You have to do guys like this only. If you have a spray can, you can put this liquid in that and you can do from that only, but guys I am not having, so I am doing with brush only. It is sticky guys. Little more. It took some time guys, but it happens very good. The results are very good. So let's do above also. So slowly. So half portion is fully completed. Now we have to do another half. Then we will let it dry. And after drying, I will show you guys how this drawing. I will be checking also because I am trying first time home fixative spray. So let's see the results. So guys, it is finished. Wait. So guys, it is fully finished as you can see. So let it dry guys. Now let's come inside. So guys, now I have done fixative and I hope you have seen. And guys, now this is fully dried. And guys, this is rounded up, but when I will put this in my file, it will be in his position like this. So guys, now let's time to test fixative spray. So I am wash my fully hands. See here also. So now let's test. So here is the dark area. So first test here. So guys, you can see I am rubbing with my pressure guys, but it is not coming. So here also I have done. So you can see here also not coming. So let's done like this. So guys, you can see fixative spray that I made it at home is really working guys. I will make one video also. You can see that video I will be making in my coming videos. So it is now not blending also guys, and my finger is not getting dirty. So let's put this in a new file. So here is our file. Wait. First let's open this. So let's put this in. So guys, I am putting this drawing in as you can see on the screen. So guys, I have put this drawing in my new file. So you can see the fixative spray is also working guys. You can also make at home, but you don't know how to make, so I will be making a new video on that. So thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video guys, so please do a like, subscribe and share my video, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. So thanks for watching, and without wasting time, bye.
Like a Hellcat.